Hello, my name's Suzanne Stokes and I've been teaching recreational art classes for 17 years. Most of my students have come to me as complete beginners, and I'm proud to say that many have gone on to be excellent artists because they learned the basics of drawing before moving on to painting. And that's where my new online drawing classes also begin. The videos show in detail how to draw simple objects and make them look solid, how to look at the proportions of objects and some simplified perspective, and how to look at the spaces between things because they're crucial in drawing accurately. The videos show how to do this in close-up. I don't just tell you how to do it, I show you. It doesn't take long to move on from drawing a pot to some cheeky penguins. There are lots of amazing art videos on YouTube that show demonstrations by excellent artists on how to do complete paintings. It's a bit like watching a cookery programme. It's great fun, but you have no chance of replicating it. In my experience, you need to learn a new skill, whether it's a language, learning to drive, or draw, in bite-sized pieces. And with a bit of practice, you will be amazed at what you can achieve in a very short time. The first tutorial is free, and I hope it will give you a flavour of how they all work. They progress through drawing and onto other mediums including watercolour, acrylics, pastel, and eventually onto oil painting. There's a forum you can join where you can post your work and chat to other students and me. And the videos are there for you to watch as often as you like and to fit in with your lifestyle and free time. And there are optional subtitles if, like me, you're hard of hearing. You'll find links to both the videos and my website listed below.